This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome, hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss one more computer program of chapters program and file handling in GW Basic Programming Language. So the question is, create a program in GW Basic that prints ASCII characters from 1 to 255. So we will write a program in the IDE. So let's switch to the IDE where we will write down the program and then we will execute it. Here we are, viewers. It's a very simple program. I'm gonna write. In line 10 I will type CLS to clear the contents of the screen. Line 20 I will type for loop m equal to 1 to 255. Line 30 print character dollar subscript m, or you can call it as an argument, passes to this function next m. Line 50 e in the end. So we'll save this program. We'll press F4 key and type ASCII.bas, press the enter key and then press the F2 key. So the viewers, you can see total 255 characters can be seen on the screen. So we can see the last ones right from 1 till 255. So this is how we can print ASCII characters ranging from 1 to 55. So let's the execution of this program in the text area. So I'm gonna type the execution line by line in line 10. It's a very simple and easy program. Line 10, CLS statement is used to clear the contents of the screen. In line 20, for loop, a counter loop is used with initial value 1 till and the final value as 255. Line m is a numeric variable used with for loop. In line 40, in line 30, print statement is used to display the output of all the 255 ASCII codes on the screen. We have used character dollar function and then passed m numeric variable as an argument. So character dollar will actually used to generate ASCII codes from numbers ranging from 1 of numbers ranging from 1 till 255, and print statement will eventually print all the 255 ASCII codes on the screen using character dollar built-in function. Clear? in line 40. Next, M is used for loop termination. The loop will continue its execution from 1 till 255, means that loop will be executed 255 times, and each time there will be an increment of 1 and character dollar, and print statement using character dollar will display all the 255 ASCII codes of characters on the screen. In line 50, end statement is used for program closing, ending. That's all, viewers. This is the whole interpretation of the program. This is how we can display the ASCII codes on the screen using a for loop, and the output you can see on the screen that we have obtained by using the above program. But you can see, since there were total 25 characters, so we can see just the last ones on the screen. Due to screen size, we can see just few last numbers on the screen. So these are all the ASCII codes of the last around 10 to 12 characters on the screen. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and then 20 and 21. Total 21 last ASCII codes on the screen. That's all. Thanks for watching. In our next video we will discuss more programs of the same chapter.